Fender Excelsior. They put on a few different models of this weirdo. I swapped out the original Fender speaker for the 15-inch Eminence Legend 8 ohm, a lot more robust, and the toggle button switch for high and low tone was removed, and a potentiometer was put in its place. Provides a little bit better sweep. Very loud. It's actually less than half volume. That's what you're looking at. And then we pick the as you go behind the Legend, the sweepable pot versus the old cheesy high-low switch, tubes, I love you tubes, 13 watts. I think it has a Princeton sort of preamp in it. It's been a good amp, but it's time to move on. 3 1/4 or best, complete with modifications. They're out there for 2, but they haven't been modified, and you're more than welcome to go buy one. But this has served me well. It's good with effects pedals as well. Keep this rolling for another minute. You can hear my horrible, mediocre playing.